Hey, and what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Farm Dream. My name is Raymond, and today we're looking into snow peas. I'm going to show you everything from germinating all the way to harvest. Let's go. Now you've got bush snow peas and climbing snow peas, and today we're going to talk about the climbing version because that's what I've got right here. Now we can either directly sow them straight into the soil or germinate them first in a Tupperware tray. I like to first put them into the Tupperware tray, put a little bit of paper towels at the bottom, put the seeds in, add a lot of water and some paper towels on top. This way we can make sure that the ones that go into the soil are actually already germinated. It is important you do this at normal room temperature, not in the sun or above any heating. This will also prevent transplanting shock. Normally the germination in the Tupperware tray takes about 4 to 5 days. After that we can transplant them straight into the soil. I personally like to create a little bit of a trench and put the seeds in about 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch deep, about 10 to 15 centimeters apart. But you can also, of course, just create a hole every 10 to 15 centimeters and directly sow them in there. If you're gonna go for directly sowing them, make sure you put about 2 peas per hole, just to make sure that they actually come out. Directly sowing will take about 7 to 10 days to germinate. If you germinate it inside first, it will take about 4 to 5 days for them to stick out their heads. Now climbing snow peas can actually grow up to become 2 meters. I'm 180, so they're not fully there yet, but they are really big. So take that into account when you're putting on your trellis. It has to be high enough to support it all. Now, as we all know, plants will grow towards the light, so make sure your trellis is in the right spot. I personally put the trellis right behind my peas and made sure that I helped them a little bit going up. The first bit is just helping. They will not go through it, they will just stick on the front of the trellis and grow towards the light. Now today is a really warm day, it's 27 degrees with full-on sun, so that's quite hot for snow peas. They don't like the hot too much and also can't stand any freeze. We sowed these peas in about the end of March and it's now half June, so we're actually already harvesting quite a lot of it. The harvesting will start about the end of April till the end of June. It's important to harvest frequently so they will bloom and grow more peas, and don't waste energy on peas that are already done. As you can see here, the stems of snow peas stay quite small, so they do need quite some water to be able to lift all that water up through the plant. Now this is a nitrogen fixing plant, meaning it will get nitrogen from the sun. But it's important to know that it's okay to add some more nitrogen or add some more fertilizer really. These plants love to have some extra and they will use it and make sure they grow better. This is a big problem that we see with beginner gardeners. They just don't fertilize anything. We like to add some compost to the soil and mix in some seaweed fertilizer to the water. Now besides that the compost will give nutrients to the soil, it will also make sure that the soil is loose and that helps the snow pea to make a good foundation. Also you can add mulch on top to keep the water retention. And there you have it, everything you need to know to grow snow peas. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, consider hitting that like button, and don't forget to live the farm dream.